Speaking test. Review. What shape is it? Number 1. It's a cube. 2. It's a cone. 3. It's a rectangle. 4. It's a triangle. 5. It's a square. 6. It's a circle. How many apples are there? Number 1. There are 5 apples. Number 2. There are 8 apples. Number 3. There are 6 apples. Number 4. There are 2 apples. Say the letters. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Name the body parts. Number 1. Head. 2. Arm. 3. Legs. 4. Eye. 5. Nose. Can you point your arm? What line is it? Number 1. It's a straight line. Number 2. It's a curvy line. Number 3. It's a wavy line. Number 4. It's a zigzag line. What can you see? I can see a cow. Who's this? My family. Where is the ball? Number 1. The ball is in the box. Number 2. The ball is on the box. Number 3. The ball is under the box. Is it cold or hot? Number 1. Ice cream is cold. Number 2. Pizza is hot. Is it hard or soft? Number 1. Pillow is soft. The pillow is soft. Number 2. The ruler is hard.